And here's how to get back deleted passwords app. So here we can see my password app. Now I'm going to long pressing on my password app and tapping on remove app and tapping on remove from home screen. So in case if you accidentally removed the passwords app from your home screen, then all you have to need to get back the passwords app, you have to go to your app library, and in app library tap on the search app. Here you have to type password. Now long press on password and simply drag and add the password in your home screen, just like so. So that's how we can add passwords app from app library. And if you accidentally removed the app or uninstalled the app completely, then you won't find the passwords app in app library. In this case, we have to go to our app store, and in app store simply search for passwords, and in app store here you will find Apple passwords app. So all you have to need, reinstall the passwords app and your password app will be again added in your phone, just like so. Thanks for watching.